Okay. Any questions so far? Yeah, go ahead, Matt.
Yeah, in following you uh on this, I think back on my career, and you know, um, I tried doing it with family members, uh, high school students that didn't need to make as much money, um, and it was a challenge because you tried to guide, but I didn't know myself what was necessary. How does somebody get started? When do they uh when is the right time for a business owner to say, hey, I can do other things really good, and that's what brings in the money, but I gotta do have the busy work done. When do you make that decision? And maybe I'm jumping in.
So,
I apologize.
no, you're good. That's a really good question. So, um, to be honest, the sooner you can start making that decision, I know that part of it is financial, obviously, but the sooner you can start getting in the systems and the SOPs and the workflows in your business, the better. So you can start your business, holding everything together, but you once you grow to a certain point, it's going to become harder and harder for you to go back and redo and actually create all those systems and processes in your business. So my advice is always the sooner you can start doing it, the better, because it's going to set you up for success in the long run. Does that kind of answer the question for you?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, of course. Um, so moving forward, before you automate anything, you need these three things. First, you need a clear process. You need to know where it starts, where it ends, and what happens in between. Okay. Second, you need defined ownership. So automation doesn't remove accountability, it just clarifies it. Okay. And then third, you need one priority system. Okay. Not five, not everything, just one. Okay.